Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Good Guys Pacific Northwest Nationals here in Puyallup, Washington. And finally we got it, we're all set up, and check it out, our new Danchuk display. This is incredible, and we have all our customers to thank for us that participated in this. This is just the first one for now. We've got some more designs that we're going to be working on, some different graphics and some different artwork, so stay tuned for those. But for those guys in here, you know who you are. Thank you very much for your participation in this. We couldn't have done it without you. But for the show this weekend, it's Friday 8 to 5, Saturday 8 to 7, Sunday 8 to 3. Come by and talk to me and Roscoe, talk about your tech and anything on your project you want to do. And come by and check out one of our, for those guys who have Trifive clubs and shows, we have a show support program coming on. We can talk to you about that, help you support your show, and give you some stuff for giveaways and things like that. And while you come by and talking to us, grab some goodies. We've got some goodies for a limited time while the supplies last. Also, we have a show special coupon only available here at our booth, so be sure to swing on by. Check out all our beautiful parts that we have, all made in the USA, and we can help you get that ride all dialed in and set up for a show just like this. So when you be sure you come by and stop and see us. We're here to help, and we look forward to seeing you.